Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are fine and safe. As we have completed the unit number 1, let's move forward towards the exercise. Open your books on page number 5 and be attentive. Exercise number 1. Choose the correct answer. You have to encircle the correct option. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. Number 1. What do we call the place where bones meet? The place where two bones meet is called a joint. So the correct answer is option C, joint. Option C, joint. Number 2. Which of these is the name for the bones in the head? The bones in the head is skull. The correct option is option B, skull. It protects the brain. Number 3. Which of these is not one of the five senses? The correct option is option B, belief. Belief is not one of the five senses. Sight is a sense, hearing is a sense, touch is a sense, but belief is not a sense. So the correct option is option B, belief. Number 4. Which is the odd one out? Odd one out means different. In these four given options, one is different. Hip bone is a bone. Jawbone is also a bone. Rib are also a bone. Option D, skin. It is the odd one out. It is not a bone. So the correct option is option D, skin. Option D, skin. Number 5. Which part of the body is used to breathe with? Breathing means taking in clean air and exhaling used air. This work is performed by lungs. So the correct option is option C, lungs. Option C, lungs. Now look at the exercise number 2 on the same page number 5. How many joints are there in these body parts? Use the pictures in this unit and your own body to find the answers. Number 1. Middle finger. Dear students, look at your hands, your fingers and try to count the joints. Yes, there are two joints present in the middle finger. With the help of these joints, we pick things up or write. So the answer is 2. Write down 2 in the given blank. Number 2. Thumb. How many joints are present in the thumb? Look at your thumb, dear students, and try to answer. Yes, there is only one joint present in the thumb. The answer is 1. Write down 1 in the given blank. Number 3. Arm. How many joints are present in the arm? Dear students, look at your arm and try to answer. Yes, there are two joints present in the arm. One is knee and the other one is wrist. These are the two joints present in the arm. So the answer is 2. Write down 2 in the given blank. Now, dear students, look at the exercise number 3. Which bones protect the following important organs? Number 1. Heart and lungs. The heart and lungs are protected by ribs present in the cage-like structure. The answer is rib cage. Write down rib cage in the given blank. Number 2. Nerves in the spine. Dear students, nerves in the spine are protected by backbone. Write down backbone in the given blank. Number 3. Brain. Which bones protect the brain? The answer is skull. Skull protects the brain. Write down skull in the given blank. Now open page number 6 on your books. Look at your books. Exercise number 4. Answer these questions. Dear students, open your rough copies and note down the answers. So, are you ready? Okay. Question number 1. What is a skeleton? Write down the answer on your rough copies. A skeleton is the hard structure that supports our body and protects the internal organs. This is the answer for question number 1. A skeleton is the hard structure that supports our body and protects the internal organs. Now look at the exercise. Question number 2. Why do we need muscles and joints? Note down the answer for question number 2. We need muscles and joints to move our bones. We need muscles and joints to move our bones. Now, question number 3. What would happen to the body if it did not have a skeleton? Write the answer. If a body did not have a skeleton, the body would not be able to move. If a body did not have a skeleton, the body would not be able to move. Now, question number 4. What work is done by these parts of your body? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Lungs. D. Stomach. Answer is, the work done by these parts of our body are A. Heart. It pumps blood to all body parts. B. Brain. It controls our body and actions. C. Lungs. We use them to breathe. D. Stomach. It helps us to digest food. Now look at the exercise. Question number 5. Name the 5 senses. Note down the answer. The 5 senses are: number 1, sight; number 2, hearing; number 3, smell; number 4, taste; number 5, touch or feel. Now come forward toward question number 6. Name the 5 sense organs. Answer. The 5 sense organs are: number 1, ear; number 2, eye; number 3, nose; number 4, tongue; number 5, skin. Now look at the exercise number 5 on page number 6. Write in the blank columns the names of the sense organs and senses you will need to experience the items and actions in column 1. Some may need more than one sense or organ. Now look at the column number 1. The following items are given, and you have to observe and answer that which item is recognized by which sense and sense organ. Number 1. Perfume. How do you experience perfume? And which organ do you use? The organ which is used is nose, and the sense is smell. We smell perfume with our nose. On column number 2, write nose, and in column number 3, write smell. Number 2, sunshine. We see sunshine with our eyes. The sunshine is sighted by our eyes. In column number 2, write eye, and in column number 3, write sight. Number 3, soap. We experience soap with our skin by touching. In column number 2, write skin, and in column number 3, write touch. Number 4, pickle. We experience pickle with our tongue, and the sense is taste. Number 5, drumming. We experience hearing of drums with our ears. In column number 2, write ear, and in column number 3, write hearing. Number 6, sunset. We experience sunset with our eyes. In column number 2, write eye, and in column number 3, write sight. Number 7, sandpaper. We touch sandpaper and we see sandpaper. So the organs used are eye and skin, and the sense is sight and touch. Number 8, clouds. We see clouds and we also hear clouds. The organ used are ear and eye, and the sense is hearing and sight. Number 9, singing. We experience singing with our tongue and ears, and the sense used is hearing. In column number 2, write tongue and ears, and in column number 3, write hearing. Number 10, fur. We experience fur with our skin, we touch it. In column number 2, write skin, and in column number 3, write touch. Number 11, banana. We experience banana with our tongue. The organ used is tongue and the sense is taste. In column number 2, write tongue, and in column number 3, write taste. So dear students, that's enough for today. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.